Hello, my name is Roslyn.
Hello, my name is Connor.
Hello, my name is Phillip, and we're going to read Green Eggs and Ham.
I am Sam. I am Sam. I am Sam. Sam, I am Sam. I am. I do not like that, Sam. I am. Do you like green eggs and ham? I do not like them, Sam. I am. I do not like green eggs and ham. Would you like them here or there? I would not like them here or there. I would not like them anywhere. I do not like green eggs and ham. I do not like them, Sam. I am.
Would you like them in a house? Would you like them with a mouse? I do not like them in the house. I do not like them with the same mouse. I do not like them here or there. I do not like them anywhere. I do not like green eggs and ham. I do not like them, Sam. I am. Would you eat them in a box? Would you eat them with a fox? Not in a box. Not with a fox. Not in a house with a mouse. I would not eat them here or there. I would not eat them anywhere. I would not eat green eggs and ham. I do not like them, Sam. I am. Could you in a car? Eat them. Here they are.
I would not, could not in a car. You may like them. You will see. You may like them in a tree. I would not, could not in a tree. Not in a car. You let me be. I do not like them in a box. I do not like them with a fox. I do not like them in a house. I do not like them with a mouse. I do not like them here or there. I do not like them anywhere. I do not like green eggs and ham. I do not like them, Sam. I am. A train, a train, a train. Could you? Would you? On a train? Not on a train, not in a tree, not in a car. Sam, let me be. I would not, could not in a box. I could not, would not with a fox. I will not eat them with a mouse. I will not eat them in a house. I will not eat them here or there. I will not eat them anywhere. I do not like green eggs and ham. I do not like them, Sam. I am. Say, in the dark, here in the dark. Would you, could you in the dark? I would not, could not in the dark. Would you, could you in the rain?
I would not, could not in the rain. I would not, not in the dark, not on the train, not in a car, not in the tree. I do not like them, Sam, you see. Not in a house, not with a box, not with a mouse, not with a fox. I will not eat them here or there. I do not like them anywhere. You do not like green eggs and ham. I do not like them, Sam. I am. Would you, could you with a goat? I would not, could not with a goat. Would you, could you on a boat? I would not, could not on a boat. I will not with a goat. I will not eat them in the rain. I will not eat them on the train. Not in the dark, not in the tree, not in the car. You let me be. I will not eat them with a fox. I do not like them with a fox. I will not eat them in a house. I will not eat them with a mouse. I will not eat them here or there. I do not like them anywhere.
I do not like green eggs and ham. I do not like them, Sam. I am. You do not like them, so you say, try them, and you may try them. You may, I say. Sam, if you'll let me be, I'll try them, you will see.
Say, I like green eggs and ham. I do, I like them, Sam. I am. And I would eat them in a boat, and I would eat them with a goat. And I will eat them in the rain, and in the dark, and on a train, and in a car, and in a tree. They are so good, you see. So I will eat them in a box, and I will eat them with a fox, and I will eat them with a mouse, and I will eat them with a mouse, and I'll eat them here or there. Say, I will eat them anywhere. I do so like green eggs and ham. Thank you, Sam, I am.
Happy birthday, Dr. Seuss!